Hello everyone, I'm Rajat. Welcome to Knowledge Optimizer. So today's topic would be introduction to databases. So there would be this series we are going to start, new series. Here in this series we are going to learn various type of databases. So first of all, I'll give you a brief idea like the broader categories in which we can divide our databases. So first is relational databases. I think if you have started with the basic database, if you have ever worked on a database, that would be this relational database only. So it is widely used in many of the organization. I think if you have done school or college student, even there also we are using this. Mainly MySQL we are using. That is also a relational database. So in this relational data, we are mostly going to cover Postgres only, and in Postgres, like how it works, what is model view, from starting from simple queries, we are going to cover all these things. Then what are ACID properties? Then what are the internal data structure it is using? Those things we are going to cover. Okay, and how B trees work and everything we are going to cover in this series. Now coming to the second database, that is key value databases. So there is a key, there is a value corresponding to that key we are storing. Redis is an example of it. Then we have DynamoDB and everything. We are going to cover both Redis and Dynamo in this. Then we have columnar database. So if you know about relation database, the main crux of it is a row. Then there is this row which keeps all the information together. Now in the columnar database, it's totally opposite. Basically, main part of it. And then we have in the columnar database, the databases we are going to cover is HB database. Then we have this document data where we are storing any object as a document. Then there could be an S3 structure also to that document. So they in this document data we are mainly going to cover MongoDB and CouchDB. Then last but not the least, that is graph database. If we have many interconnected data, then in that case we are very highly interconnected. Then in that case we are using graph database. So we are going to cover that. Neo4j we are going to cover in this series. That is a brief of what we are going to cover in this series. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.